Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and basic page plan. Once signed in, open Google Sites and create a new site. This immediately generates a working canvas. Choose a site name and primary page title so you have a clear target. Make sure to select a layout style now because it sets the grid and navigation behavior. You'll save time later. Starting with structure prevents messy reorganizing as you add content and sections. You continue by building the middle structure. Create the core pages using the Pages panel and arrange them in a logical hierarchy. Once done, add layout sections to each page. Use headers, columns, images, and text blocks to guide visitors. Make sure to use the Insert menu to embed maps, calendars, or Drive files so content stays live. Adjust theme settings for consistent fonts and color accents. This keeps the site visually coherent and improves usability across devices. You finalize by publishing. Choose a meaningful site address and set access permissions, public or limited users. Preview in both desktop and mobile views and test every link, form, and embedded Drive file to make sure items load. Once satisfied, click Publish again after edits. Viewers will see the updated version. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, verify file and folder sharing settings in Drive, and then republish. That usually resolves common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.